and where they need to be for work, but getting into their personal lives. Instead of asking somebody how many bedrooms do you need, how many bathrooms do you need, like that kind of stuff is what every real estate agent is asking them. Instead, how many children do you have? Okay, what ages are your children? You know, if they say they have 3 kids under 5 and 2 kids that are teenagers, you're gonna know right there. It's like, okay, well, perhaps we can have children in the basement. Are your kids old enough to be in the basement? We can get 2 bedrooms in the basement, a big bathroom. That covers the teenagers. You know, you got 3 kids under 5. Maybe you're gonna wanna have a bunch of bedrooms upstairs. Now you're gonna need 4 bedrooms upstairs. So now you're looking at a 6-bedroom home. But instead of them telling you that they're looking for a 6-bedroom home, ask them about their family. Ask them because you really care. That's gonna tell you, you know, okay, so we've got 4 kids, you know, 2 of them are in karate and they go to karate just down the street. You know, we have 2 kids in hockey or dance or whatever it happens to be. And just really talk to them about their family. Get to know them on a really personal level, because that's how you win in real estate. What kind of restaurants does your family like to go to? What are you guys up to on the weekend? Like just a casual conversation. What are you guys doing this weekend? Really get to know what they like to do, you know, their extra activities they do outside of work. What else we got? Even so, when you meet people, how did that thing go that we were talking about last time? They love that you remember about the thing. Whether their kid was in a karate competition, you're like, how did the karate competition did Timmy win? And the people really love that you not only remembered that their kid was in karate, but also at the same time that you're following up with it because you actually care about them, right? What about big news? Any big news since the last time we talked? Any breakthroughs you had? I know you were getting into the sales industry. How's that been for you? Like really following up on the conversations you had last time. And if you guys don't have great memories, just writing it down, just being like, okay, he just started a new job at Go Auto. He said he was worried about training and this and this and this. Follow up with him and be like, how's that gone? What do you think of it? What do you like about the sales industry? All that kind of stuff. They really like when you follow up with things that they told you about, because it shows that you were listening. It shows that you care about them, right? And you should care about them. This should be extremely authentic. This shouldn't be, oh, just write this down so you can make a sale. You should care about your clients. And I promise you're gonna be a better real estate agent if you care about your clients. Okay, what else we got? We got price. So instead of asking, what price range are you searching in? Because, you know, we all know that's the question they're gonna get asked. What price range are you searching in? What are you pre-approved for? All that kind of stuff. Asking them, are you aware of mortgage advantage options, down payment flexibility? Because a lot of people don't know